next part, which is the incident investigation. Basically, important part of this video is incident investigation. So incident investigation and techniques are a system, method used to uncover the underlying causes of incident or accident, we can say incident, with the goal of preventing reoccurrence. Various techniques can be employed depending on the severity of the incident and nature of the incident. Some we discuss here, like root cause analysis, RCA. This is purpose of RCA to identify the fundamental cause of the incident, and the method used is to collect data and evidence about the incident, identify what happened and why happened, determine cause by asking why multiple times. You can say, we say this technique 5 whys, develop corrective action and address root causes. So the 5 why basically is the purpose to drill down the root cause by repeatedly asking why. So start with the problem statement, ask why the problem happened, continue asking why for each answer until the cause of incident identified. Then the other method we can discuss failure mode and effect analysis. We call FMEA, failure mode and effect analysis. Purpose to systematically evaluate potential failure and their impact. The method use identify potential failure modes of components or process or system, assess the effect and severity of each failure mode, prioritize failure based on the risk and develop mitigation plan. Fishbone diagram. Fishbone diagram is a very famous, one of the famous system. We can say fishbone diagram. The purpose is to visually display potential cause of an accident, and the method is to define the problem and write it at head of the fishbone. Identify major categories of causes: people, process, equipment, environment, etc., materials. Brainstorm and list potential cause under each category. Analyze to find the most likely root cause. Bow tie analysis. The bow tie analysis is also to analyze the pathways from cause to consequences and identify the controls. Method: identify entire event, incident, map of potential causes leading to event, left side of the bow tie, and then map of potential consequence of the event at the right side of bow tie. Identify barriers, preventive and mitigative controls, and both side to manage. Then the other technique is tripod beta. This is also to identify and categorize underlying cause of incidents. Identify the method: identify unsafe acts, determine they are allowed to unsafe act, how it happened, and what is the precautions that allow to unsafe act. Identify underlying latent failures, develop corrective actions of each level. Number 7, we can say hazard and operability study. Hazard, this is most used in operations, as well as in the beginning of any project. Before starting a project, the hazard study is conducted by the team to identify and evaluate hazards in process and operations. Define the method is define the system process to be studied, identify potential deviations for normal operation, analyze the causes and consequences of deviation, recommendation measures to mitigate the identification. Then we go number 8 technique, which is fault tree analysis. The purpose to identify the combination of failures and could lead to the incident. Method, define the top level of event indicators, break down the event into a contributing faults using a software, a tree software, fault tree software. Identify basic event, the bottom level, analyze the combination of basic event and understand how they lead to the top event. Number 9 is event and causal factors charting. Purpose is to visualize, map out the sequence of event and conditions leading to the accident. The method is identify and document event and condition in a timeline format, establish to a relationship between events and conditions, and analyze the chart, identify root cause and conditions factors. Number 10, management oversight and risk tree, MORT analysis. The purpose is to systematically identify and analyze deficiencies in management system. The method, identify the incident and its immediate causes. Use the MORT, management oversight and risk tree, MORT chart. Use the MORT chart to systematically explore potential management system failure, identify deficiencies in management controls and develop corrective action. So these are few techniques which we discuss. The implementation of incident investigation is through data collection, team formation, analysis, then corrective actions, reporting and follow-up. So in next we will discuss about the Taproot. Thank you very much. Please, I'm doing this my personal learning as well as if it's help to other as well as a professional. So please comments on my video. If you learn something, you want to learn something, or you tell to me where this is opportunities on my YouTube channel for learning for OHS professional, and we learn together. Please subscribe my channel, press bell icon and comment please. I'm requesting all OHS professional. I'm not very well to making the videos, but I try my best. So I'm requesting again, please comment so I know where I have to learn more and where I correct myself, as well as I'm very happy if this video helped you. Thank you very much. We meet with next video. This is end of this part. We will meet in next part with Taproot details.